If you know nothing about search engine optimization, this SEO e-commerce checklist will tell you how to get started and where to move. Let's go! Hi everyone, I'm Alicia from the AliDropship team. With our plugin, you can turn a WordPress site into a profitable online store. Check the link in the description to learn more. Today, we're talking about search engine optimization for e-commerce sites. There are many ways to attract customers to your online store. Search engine optimization is one of those methods that take more time, but it's mostly free and can bring impressive results if you succeed. Besides, once you achieve these results, you will enjoy them for a long time. Our client from France, Tristan, says he could see the results of his search engine optimization only after 6 months of work, but his traffic is still growing. Follow this link to watch the interview with Tristan. So, as a dropshipping store owner, you have a very clear goal to achieve the best possible ranking position for your keywords and get shoppers to find your store. If you want users to see your store higher in search results, then use this SEO e-commerce checklist. Since keywords play a pivotal role in search engine optimization, you should first make sure you know what your main keyword is. Your main keyword is the one you're going to use for the homepage. You can also use it on other pages as an additional keyword. For example, the keyword for this video is SEO e-commerce checklist, since that's exactly what I'm sharing with you. Use the Uber Suggest or similar services to find your main keyword. For example, this is the phrase that I came up with, but I'm worried about its SEO difficulty. It will make it hard to compete with other retailers. But this one will make a good keyword for a dropshipping store. Look for keywords with a monthly search volume not less than 100 and SEO difficulty not more than 50. The next step is our SEO e-commerce checklist is to make sure you have enough additional keywords. You can't optimize a website for search engines with just one word. People search not only for general concepts but for particular categories or products as well. For example, a person who is interested in fitness equipment might also look for yoga equipment. If you haven't optimized your sites for this query, the user will never find it. Use these additional keywords to find products for your store, create the site structure, pick names for product categories, and write SEO-friendly descriptions. There are several ways to find additional keywords. The simplest one is to use Google autocomplete function and Google-related search. The same trick works with AliExpress. Suggestions appear on AliExpress in the same way. In my case, I used Uber Suggest. You can also come up with your own ideas and check them here. Number 3 in our SEO e-commerce checklist is to ensure your site structure matches the keywords you use. As a rule, you want to use your main keyword for the homepage, additional keywords for categories and subcategories, and the narrowest keywords that describe particular goods for your product pages. This way, users and search engines will move from the most searched keywords to the least frequent ones. Now it's time to check if your site is convenient to use, and we will start with navigation. If users can't understand how to find anything on your site, don't expect them to make purchases. Here are 3 simple rules to follow. Organize categories into a logical, general to specific order. A high-tier category is split into low-tier subcategories. Make sure category names actually match the content of these pages. Whenever possible, link pages to one another. It lets visitors move between pages and also improves their ranking in search engines. By the way, if you don't want to spend hours trying to build a perfect site structure, you can get help from experts. Check out the services page on our official website to find an SEO package service that will help you with the beginning of the store optimization. Another good option for anyone who wants to start their own online store is to hire a team of professionals to build it for you according to your preferences. You can order a custom dropshipping store from AliDropship and our experts will create a professional website optimized for your chosen niche. Follow this link to learn more about this easy way to start a dropshipping business. Number 5 of our SEO e-commerce checklist. Check your site speed. If your site takes more than 10 seconds to load, you're going to lose potential customers. It also hurts your site's search engine optimization. Here's what you can do about it. First of all, visit Page Speed Insights to test your site's current load speed. This tool is free. Sometimes slow speed is caused by the hosting service you use. In this case, simply switch to a faster provider. By the way, AliDropship also provides a hosting service designed for e-commerce websites. Check this link or the one in the description. Another way to speed up your site is to reduce the size of its images. As long as there is no need to show small details, stick to small size pictures. It's also a good idea to compress them. Now we move to optimizing individual pages. The quality of website optimization is defined by how well you optimize every page. Here are the general rules applied to any page of your online store. Set your focus keyword. Include the keyword in the page URL. Put the keyword into the page's title and meta title. Write a meta description of about 150–160 characters long. Use at least one subheading with the focus keyword. Make sure the page contains only one subheading marked as H1. With this knowledge, let's move on with our SEO e-commerce checklist. When optimizing your homepage, it's a good idea to place the focus keyword near your store's name. Make the text a bit longer than the ones used on other pages, at least 500 words. As for the content, use the homepage to explain who you are, what you do, and how customers can benefit from your business. Unlike the homepage, your category pages should be optimized for more specific keywords, which are usually identical to the names of your categories. The text can be a bit shorter, about 300 words. While product categories are designed to attract potential customers searching for certain goods, product pages can be optimized to attract people looking for specific products. Therefore, one should use the narrowest keywords in product titles and descriptions. For example, buy shoes online or fitness tracker online. Such queries will lead them directly to one of your product pages. Follow this SEO e-commerce checklist and your store's performance will get better eventually. I have one more tip on getting good SEO optimized descriptions. If you don't want to spend hours on optimizing each of your product pages manually, use AliDropship Celica. This plugin uses artificial intelligence to automatically generate product titles and descriptions. It works perfectly with WordPress sites. Watch this video next to learn more about Celica. I linked this tool in the description. You can also find some more useful links there, so check it out. And please feel free to ask me anything dropshipping in the comments. I will do my best to answer your questions, or I will ask my colleagues to help me if there is something I don't know yet. Thanks for watching. Bye!